So this is a recipe for orange pancake. So I'm going to be serving the pancakes with macerated strawberries. So I've got some chopped strawberries here, to which I'm adding a little castor sugar, just a little lemon juice. And I'm just going to leave this alone. Okay, so we've got our eggs done. So I'm adding maida. I'm adding soda bicarb. This is meetha soda, khane ka soda, whatever you want to call it. I have orange juice here, to which I'm adding sugar. I'm adding orange zest. Also vanilla. Try and use a pure vanilla extract or a vanilla paste, or slit open a bean and use that. That's the only indulgence I would recommend, because bad vanilla can really ruin an experience, right? So try and use good vanilla. So normally you would add melted butter to a pancake recipe. Today we're adding olive oil. And we're just going to give it a quick mix. It doesn't have to be, majorly emulsified or anything. Usko kuch texture alag se dena nahi hai. Just make sure there are no lumps from the sugar left in the... And if you don't have access to castor sugar, you can just use regular sugar that you've powdered or whatever. You can use brown sugar if you like. So you just want to mix it. This is the consistency that you want. It's called the dropping consistency if you're familiar with baking. One thing I would say though is when you add butter to a pancake, you don't need to add salt because the butter already has a little bit of salt. Olive oil does not. So please make sure you add a pinch of salt. So just a little bit of olive oil to grease the tawa. So I'm cooking this on low. I don't want to cook it on high because otherwise I'm going to end up with a charred bottom. So as you can see, the tops have slightly dried up. Yeah, and we're getting bubbles like you would for a regular cake. And maybe the front line can also smell some orange. Flip it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah.